Imagine this. You're sitting alone, staring at your empty wallet, dreaming about a life filled with freedom, respect, and money that works for you. Now imagine that there's one small habit that could change everything. Not a shortcut, not magic, just a habit. Something anyone can start today. Stick with me, because this story will show you how ordinary people can turn their life around, and how this one habit could do the same for you. There was once a young man, full of dreams but trapped in reality. He had big ideas, but no money, no network, just hope, and a burning desire to change his life. He lived in a small town where opportunities were rare. People around him worked regular jobs, barely making enough to survive. But he wanted more: freedom, wealth, respect, a life he could be proud of. One day, he realized that dreaming without action changes nothing. He knew he had to start small. Start now. His first opportunity was simple: a small cleaning job at a local shop. At first it seemed tiny, boring even, but he didn't just clean. He observed, he learned, and he asked questions. He did the work with pride, showing he cared more than anyone else. Within weeks, when people noticed, customers complimented him. The owner trusted him more. He realized something crucial. Success isn't always about big actions. It's about consistent small steps, done with heart. But the road wasn't easy. Some days he felt exhausted. Some days he wanted to give up. He didn't have money to buy tools he needed for a bigger opportunity. He didn't have connection, but he had one thing most people ignore: persistence. He borrowed a small amount from a friend, not because he could easily pay it back, but because he had a clear plan. He would work every day until he could repay it, and more. Here's the secret he discovered: the habit of showing up consistently, thinking clearly, and taking action every single day. It sounds simple, too simple, but that's the point. Most people wait for the perfect time, the perfect opportunity, or a lucky break. He realized there is no perfect time. The only way forward is through consistent action. Every day he worked, he didn't just earn money, he trained his mind. He visualized success. He imagined how it would feel to be free, respected, and financially independent. He planned the next day's actions even when he was tired. This was more than a habit. It was a way of life. Weeks turned into months. Clients began recommending him. His income slowly increased. The small cleaning job became a bigger contract. He didn't just work hard, he worked smart, using the same daily habit: show up, focus, take action. By the end of the first year, he was making more money than most in his town. But even more importantly, he had confidence, a sense of purpose, and a new mindset. I can create opportunities. I am responsible for my own success. This is the lesson for you. Success isn't about being lucky or talented. It's about developing one small habit, repeated every single day. 1. Clarity. Know exactly what you want. 2. Action. Do one thing toward that goal every day. No excuses. 3. Persistence. Keep going, even when it feels hard. 4. Reflection. Learn from mistakes. Adjust. Repeat. Do this habit consistently, and doors you never imagined will start opening. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You started today. One small habit, one action every day. You've grown. You've learned. You've earned. You look back at the person you were, struggling and unsure, and you smile, because you took control. You became someone who doesn't wait for luck, someone who creates results, step by step, habit by habit. So here's what you need to remember. Success doesn't come from huge leaps. It comes from small steps repeated every day. Start today. Decide one small action. Do it consistently. Visualize your goal. Believe in your growth. And over time, you'll see a transformation in your wealth, your confidence, and your life. This is the habit that changes everything. And it's waiting for you right now.